everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be running through another recipe from the 5-ingredient Renal Diet Cookbook. It is available on Amazon, so I'll leave a link in my caption. If you are new here, all the recipes are kidney and beginner friendly, so let's get into it. Mykonos tofu lettuce wraps. For the recipe, you're going to need iceberg lettuce, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, turmeric, black pepper, capers, vegan mayo, and extra virgin olive oil. And you need some tofu. Any brand for any of these ingredients will work just fine. So before you begin, you're gonna wanna grab a bowl so you can mix your ingredients together. First, put in 2.5 tablespoons of vegan mayo, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of capers, a 1/16 teaspoon of turmeric, an 1/8 teaspoon of black pepper, and then you're going to want to measure out 5 ounces of tofu. And you're just going to cube it up into small cubes. So you're gonna take about half of them and crumble them into here, into the bowl, and then you're gonna leave the other ones intact. Give that a mix. This is what it's looking like. Now we're gonna open up our lettuce and we're gonna take about 4 leaves. I don't think I'm gonna have enough for 4, so I'm just going to use 2 or 3. So you're then gonna take your leaf and place the mixture inside. So I actually am not gonna have enough for even 2, I don't think. So we'll just do 1. Looks like this. Then you take a couple of your extra bits of tofu and put it on top, like this. Okay, so this is not too bad. It's really strong with Dijon mustard, so I might recommend doing less Dijon mustard. It's an easy, quick meal or snack, and I recommend giving it a shot if something like egg salad or something is your favorite. So it's pretty good, just less Dijon mustard next time, I think. So just a reminder, this is where I got the recipe. It is available on Amazon. There's a link in my caption. So have a good day. See you next time, and thanks for watching.